Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone wants to know how to download Temu app. Temu is an online marketplace that sell a lot of stuff, household goods, women's clothing, children's clothing. So they sell a lot of stuff on Temu. So what we need to do is we need to go to our Play Store on your phone. So go to your Play Store, then go on top of it and type Temu, T-E-M-U, Temu app for free. Install it on your phone, okay, and you can see 50 million plus download, 4.8 star, 591k review. So install it, and now it's downloading. So with this app, you can shop using this app. You can select the stuff you want to buy and pay for it using PayPal or your card. So the app is getting ready. You can see Temu, shop like a billionaire. So the app is installing and it's very quick, and it's click it open, okay, and you can see the app here. Okay, now this is the Temu app. Today they are doing a Temu Black Friday in July, so you can win £100 coupon bundle if it's something that you want, but I'm going to skip it. Now what I want to do is just to tell you information about the Temu app. Okay, from the app, the way this app works, you need to select from the top. Okay, you see women from the top. If there's anything you want to search, you can type the name of the stuff you want to search on top. And let's say we want to search for vacuum cleaner, for instance, you type vacuum cleaner, okay, type on it, and it will show you all the vacuum cleaner they are selling, and also the prices. If you want to buy a specific one, let's say this particular one, you select on it, then you will see the price as well. The price usually in a yellow. Okay, you will see the price after the title. Then if you want to buy this, for instance, then you need to select, okay, add to catalog. You will see add to catalog, add it to catalog. Then it will ask you how many quantity. You also need to select the color, whether black or green, for instance. Then you select how many quantity, then add green color. So there's a green color there. Select add to catalog, and now it's added to catalog. If you want to open it up, then you select open the catalog. Okay, it will show you the stuff in the catalog. You can also select checkout. You can pay by PayPal, Visa, okay, and pay Google Pay. So you can pay with a lot of stuff. If you have not finished, you can also go back again to continue your shopping. Okay, so you can go back to the top, okay, and continue your shopping. So depending on what else you want to buy, this app is quite responsive. So if you want to buy women clothing, for instance, then you go to women, it will take you to all the women stuff. So let's say if you want to buy this bag, they got nice, quite a beautiful stuff, like this bag now is very beautiful. Okay, you can buy this one for your missus or girlfriend, and they can see what the bag looks like. Okay, so you can just quickly add it to the cart. You can also need to select the color. Okay, so they have a square red and also square black and square color. So depending on particular and how many the quantity you select, let's say square red, okay, quantity 2, click add to catalog, and this added to the catalog. So this is exactly how this works. This app is very nice and very beautiful.